Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to customize this phone cover with a design inspired from Spider-Man. I will use acrylic paints to paint the design. These are the colors which I'm going to use. And this is the phone cover. You don't necessarily need the same type of phone cover for customizing. If you don't find such type of covers easily in the market, you can buy a silicone cover, a transparent silicone cover or a transparent plastic case, and just cut out a piece of paper according to the shape of your phone. So I'm going to paint on this surface. First of all, I'm going to just prime it. I'm going to prime it because the surface is very glossy, so it won't hold the paint if I'll paint directly. That's why priming the surface is important. But if you paint on paper, it is not necessary to prime. On paper or a piece of cardboard, you can directly paint. Now I will just let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will start painting on it. Okay, so now it has dried and I am going to start painting on it. This much paint is, I think, more than enough for painting the first layer, the base layer. Acrylic paints are fun, really fun. And the best thing I like about acrylic paints is they dry very quickly. So for stuff like this, acrylic paints are the best. Now along with the cover, I am also going to paint my hand. I want it to be fully covered. There shouldn't be any white gaps or something like that. Done with the base layer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shadow. So I will mix a few colors like brown, blue with the red color to add the shadow effect. To be precise, the brown color was burnt sienna and the blue color was cobalt blue. Just like this, just tapping it gently. I will repeat the same on some random spots here, mainly on the sides and corners. Now I am taking just some cobalt blue again. Let's create a pattern with some blue color. We will paint another layer when this layer gets dried up. Quickly adding a little bit of black here, just near the edge. Now I'm going to draw the shape of the eye before painting it. Now it's time to make the shape of the eye, and it's going to be the most difficult part. Now let's do some detailing here. Some highlights. Now I'm going to use this pen for some detailing. बन गया, अब इसे फ़ोन पे लगा के देखते हैं। सो गाइस, दिस स्पाइडरमैन इंस्पायर्ड डिजाइन ऑफ माय फोन कवर इज रेडी। आई होप आप सबको अच्छा लगा होगा। डू लेट मी इन द कमेंट्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट। इससे ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा बन सकता था, बट मैंने इजी रखने की कोशिश की ताकि आप लोग भी आसानी से बना सको। बाकी ये भी पॉसिबल तो है ही कि आप इससे इंस्पायर होके इसमें फिर आप और डिटेलिंग कर सकते हो और थोड़ा अच्छे से इसको क्रिएटिविटी इसमें और ऐड कर सकते हो। सो वो आप पे है कि आप कैसा बनाना चाहते हो। बट ऐसा अगर आपको ऐसा ही बनाना है तो ये बहुत सिंपल है। वीडियो से इंस्पायर होकर अगर आप लोग भी कस्टमाइज करोगे अपने फ़ोन कवर को और कहीं इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे पोस्ट करोगे तो मुझे टैग जरूर कर देना, मैं डेफिनेटली देखूंगा। मिलता हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।